Hey Lovies, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on the video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful silk press straightening flat iron, whatever you want to call it. So if you're interested, join me in the video. Hey Lovies! So I've already washed, deep conditioned, and blow dried my hair. I do have a full video on blow drying my hair, so I will link that. So just want to show you guys how everything looks before we get started. And I know that I'm gonna have to try to dust a few of these ends, so I'm showing you guys what they look like. So yeah, so let's get started. And I'm gonna use my oldie but goodie, my Silk Elements heat protectant spray. It's my favorite. My Subdue flat iron. All the products. Now the Silk Elements you can get off of at Sally's, but yeah, everything else I pretty much picked up off of Amazon. And I got me a new robe, honey. I got the lavender color. I love these robes. I picked these up off Amazon. I love to put them on when I'm doing my hair or just doing things around the house. So I have my shears. You're gonna need those. My alligator clips. Love the colors. So I love these clips. They are so good. And they come in a lot of different colors. So they're good. Good stuff. Good stuff. And you're gonna need a white tooth comb, rat tail comb. Yeah, and that's it. And so we're gonna start off, you know, we do the same old, split your hair in fours. Now this video, it was requested really. I had a few ladies who requested me redo it and get a little bit closer. I had done one a while back where it was, I think I did a Facebook Live, and then I just uploaded that. So since I had to do my hair, I thought I'd go ahead and film it. So welcome to my closet, and I'm actually filming with my iPhone. I don't even know how it's gonna come out all the way, but yeah, so I'm filming with my iPhone. So yeah, so we're gonna get started, and I hope that the video will be very helpful to you guys. Because I want you to be able to do your own hair, you know, and take pride in doing your own hair. Just sit down and do it. Take your time, and you can. I think that my hair is very healthy, and I just enjoy doing it. It's very relaxing to me. So I'm happy to bring you guys along the journey. So you just want to, you know, part off a small section and then spray your hair with your heat protectant. Normally what I do too is just kind of spray the whole half with the head that I'm going to be working on. I kind of pre-spray it with the heat protectant spray. And then I also put a little bit more as I do each section. And yeah, you just glide your way down really slowly. And I do not do the chasing method, guys. I do not do it. I don't feel that I have to do that. I have tried it, but my hair does pretty well without doing that. So, but you can, you know, do whatever you like. But I don't do the chasing method with the comb. And you're gonna see me looking at my ends, feeling for my ends. And I'm going to snip off those areas that need to be snipped off. Really easy to do. You can really see it. Later on in the video, I think I'll be able to show you guys a little bit closer. But you're able to see those ends really clearly. And you can also feel them. And so you have to let those ends go. Don't be afraid to trim your ends. It makes your hair healthy. Dead ends are no good, guys. They're no good. showing you again right here. You can see those little rough ends there that need to go. I also got some little reggae Caribbean vibes going on for you guys today, so I hope you enjoy the music. I wish I was actually in the Caribbean, but I love listening to Caribbean and reggae music, so just want to share a little bit with you guys today. Hope you enjoy it. And I'm showing you again, you can see it right along the edge. It's not even an inch of hair, but you need to get those off. It makes such a difference, such a difference. Good. So now we've made it to the other side, and I'm just going to show you here again, small sections, small sections. I really love the Subdue flat iron because it has, the plates are so flat and it allows me to really get close to the root without burning my scalp, and I really love that. So great flat iron. All right, so now we have made it to the front. I'm going to show you guys just the last little section here I saved to get to the front, so that way hopefully you can see a little bit better. I also just want to take a moment to say thank you guys so much for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. It was a long road, but we made it, and I appreciate you guys so much for the encouragement, the support, and also growing with me. I really appreciate it. So I'm just trying to show you these ends really close and you can see them. And if you guys are still with me this far in the video and you like what you're seeing so far and you think it's going to be helpful to you or someone else you know, please go ahead and show me some love and hit that like button down below. Just tap that like button. It really does help get the video out to other people, and so they'll be able to view it as well. So it really does help me out in that way. So I appreciate if you take a moment to like the video, only if, again, it's something that you see that you like and you feel that it's helpful to you. I appreciate it. So a few months back, I actually cut my hair, cut a few layers in my hair, and you'll be able to see that in a moment when I comb everything down, and you can see it just kind of around the face a little bit. So there we are, we're finished. Now let's just see what it looks like. The ends already look amazing, a lot better than they did when I started, and that's getting those dead ends off. They almost look fried or something to me, and you can see how they look on the end. So yeah, I'm excited. So let me turn around so you guys can see. Looks good, looks so good. Pretty healthy, very healthy looking. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys that I'm going to turn the temperature down on my flat iron, probably to about, I think I turn it down to maybe 200, just to have a little warm temperature there. It might be 250. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do some nice soft curls with the flat iron. Many people don't know that you can do that, but you can. So I'm going to show you how we can do these curls, honey. All right, so here we go. So all you want to do is, again, a small section, depending on how tight you want the curl. I don't want mine tight. I want them fairly loose. So I go maybe halfway down, and then I just flick. It's kind of like a flick of the wrist. You just start turning your flat iron, and I sometimes hold on to the end of the hair. You want to be sure that the hair stays in the middle of the plaits, because the hair will slide, and it may, you know, some of the hair may not get the curl. So you want to be sure that the hair stays in the middle of the plait as you're turning and not sliding to the end. And so I'm going to show you again here. And just glide it down, twist and glide is what I'm saying. Look how pretty. All right, so we're gonna pop on out, and I'll see you guys the next day. And here we go. Yes, I put, you know, got a little dolled up for you guys, a little dolled up. So that's it. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. So you guys, drop down in the comments and let me know, like, have you tried to do your own hair at home, flat iron, straighten, silk press, and what do you do? What's your technique? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to know. And you guys know that I cannot end the video, honey, without giving you a little bit of slow-mo action. Okay, here we go. Yes, the slow-mo action. I love it. Thank you guys for joining me today. I really hope you found something in here that will help you. And until the next video, make sure you choose joy every day. Every day. See you next time.